Hey guys, thanks for being here with Hill. That's me. And today we're gonna be playing around with the little Honey palette by Colourpop Cosmetics. It's winter time. I need some sunshine and light, bright colors to make me happy again, and I'm just clearly missing summertime. So if you guys want to see a fun little yellow eye look, then keep on watching. So I already started off with my eyeshadow primer, and I use this Milani eyeshadow primer, and I think it's less than $7 at Ulta. Look at this little, it's annoying me. All right, make it even. I'm gonna dip in with my Morphe M574 brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Stinger, and I'm just gonna go and dip into the crease of my eye. So I'm just gonna pack it in, all in my crease, all the way. And this is the shade Stinger. Okay. Ooh, shook my table. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little closer so you can see a little better. Next, I'm gonna go with the Morphe M321 brush. And I think I'm gonna go in to Totally Buggin now, coat one side of it, and now I'm just gonna go in a little lower than I did with the Stinger shade, but still in that crease. And I'm gonna pack almost all the way down, but not as far as we did with the Stinger shade. Packing it just a little lower on my lid too. I feel like I have some mac and cheese story going on. Okay, so now that we have those two shades layered together, I'm gonna go into this matte brown shade Buzzkill with the same M321 brush that has a little bit of that Totally Buggin on it. And I'm just gonna go pack it into my crease again. I'm gonna pack lightly on the outer corner, blend it out with the same brush just by packing it in small strokes. I really like how these colors are going together. It's the first time I've really sat down to play with it. I'm just blending it a little in the middle, just blending all these colors together nicely. And I used Buzzkill just on the top outer, and I blended it a little bit in. Now let's add some fun. All right, I'm gonna go pack it in with this Ingles little fluffy brush, this Feroma. I always say this brush and never can pronounce it. 202 brush. It's stained, it's clean. I'm gonna go in, and dip in to Queen Bee. I'm just gonna stamp this on the outer corner of my eye. It's so pretty. Okay, so I like how this fluffy Ingles brush lighted it on, coated it on lightly, but I do want a little bit more of a pop. I stamped it on. I'm gonna go in with the M167 Morphe brush now, and I'm gonna go into Buzzkill and maybe get this shade a little more jam-packed, because look at that fun Queen Bee shade. All right, and I'm gonna go and stamp this on my outer corner. That is what I'm talking about. Yes, so pretty. Small strokes. I haven't had any fallout so far, but I am gonna go into a little bit more of the glittery shades, so I'm gonna put some powder under my eyes. Let me just go in with a sponge and just dab under. Okay, so I've pat a whole bunch of powder under my eye to catch anything. Oh, I have the sniffles. Okay, and all I did was use this powder that I got in my IPSY GLAM bag before. If you want to check out a video, my January bag, then the link will be in the description box below. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use Sunburst, and I'm gonna do that in the inner corner with my eye. And I'm grabbing this little sparkly brush that looks like this. I don't think it has a name. Oh, it does. Short and shader brush with my sniffles, and I'm gonna go in I'll just go in lightly to Starburst, pack it on all right there, and go in to the inner corner and pack that. And just do small strokes towards the center. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I am loving this Honey palette. Finish off, I think this look on the lid. I'm gonna dip in with my finger to Palooza because we can't try the Honey palette without it. Woo, look at that, so fun. All right, I'm just gonna tap it on the center of my lid. I think I might do something a little on the lower lash line, but I really like how it's making my eyes feel bigger. And sometimes when I do that with my lower lash line shadow, it does make it a little smaller. Let me swipe all of this away. For a $12 palette, not much fallout. I'm pretty impressed with how I did right here, not gonna lie. All right, just to tie it all together, I'm gonna grab Sweet Spot with my Colourpop E11 brush, and I'm just gonna swipe it a little bit back and forth. Just get a little bit of shadow on there. And I am putting this on my lower lash line, so I don't want a lot of fallout, so I'm just gonna spray it once with my Tarte Stay Spray setting spray, just to make it stick and have less chance of any fallout. I love this Colourpop E11 brush. It makes doing the lower lash line and eyeliner with powder so easy and simple. I'm just gonna do this really lightly and really tight. I don't want to blow it out and blend it out too far. And I'm just gonna take Palooza again with the brush and put it on the lower lash line in the inner corner. This look is definitely brightening my day on this cloudy day. Alrighty. So I am gonna take another shade from a different palette, but I am gonna stay consistent with Colourpop. And I'm gonna grab this shade, Hear Me Out. It's a little single. I have my own little custom palette. So I'm just doing like big windshield wiper motions. I didn't put a lot on my brush. Now that this eye is done, let me finish off the other eye and decide if I'm gonna do some eyeliner and stuff. And I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Let's see. Okay guys, I am back. This is the finished eye look. I put some brown eyeliner on the top and my waterline. Threw on some mascara. I really love this Honey palette. It's great to have just a day look. If I changed it up and put a different lipstick on, it could easily be a night look. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow look. So if you guys liked this video of me doing a fun little eyeshadow look with this Honey palette, tap that thumbs up button, like button, whatever it is, and hit subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys next time.